Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about Weldment gussets. In gusset, first of all, we select gusset. I select these two faces. See the preview. From here, you can change the profile. In this profile, you can change its hair distance 35 at this side, 35 at this side. Here, you can apply the profile distance 15 mm, 5 mm. Either you can apply the D4, suppose I enter 10 mm, or you can apply angle. Suppose I enter 45 degree profile angle, 20 degree profile angle, or you can also apply this profile, triangular profile. Here is the distance. You can change the distance from here one side, and the distance D1 is this side and D2 at this side. I enter same value 30 mm and 30 mm here. From here you can change the thickness of the gusset, apply 5 mm. You can apply 6 mm, 7 mm, it's up to you. We always keep the gusset at the mid of the skate tube. From here you can also apply location, keep the midpoint location. You can also apply offset from here. From here you can also apply chamfer. Here you can enter the distance of this chamfer. I enter 10 by 10. See here is the chamfer. Activate, uncheck it. Okay. Now we apply gusset at every gear tube. This is simple tutorial of Weldment gusset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.